Morning, everybody. Travis, Flint Hills Forestry Mulching. Out here today, far eastern Dickinson County, just barely into Dickinson County, Kansas. Another farmyard project cleanup. Today's Sunday, last Sunday of the month before January. Getting started on this project. Came out here yesterday on Saturday. Started doing some of the tedious work using loppers, clippers, just clearing up the little saplings kind of around the house, the outbuildings. I'll spin you around, take a quick look real quick, kind of look and see what's going on here. As you can see, kind of around the house, got a few more little saplings to cut out with the chainsaw. But then as we kind of pan around, all of the little scrubby things gonna have to come out, get the mulcher out, mulch them up. There's some trees that are flagged out here that are keepers. Big trees are keepers, but a lot of little scrubby things to take out. So that's the scope. Let's get at it. It's a nice day, 50 degrees today for last Sunday of December in Kansas, so let's get busy. And a little bit more of what we need to take out. Kind of we walk to the north side of the house. Not so much in here, there's a lot of metal down, but kind of straight ahead, little saplings that come out, get it cleaned up real nice. And along around the old granary, got a few more stumps to chainsaw out, but we got it cleaned up real nice with just some lopper yesterday. Got a pretty decent little pile right here, what we clipped out, but back there, a little bit more on the back side. But coming around, got another area to get. It's around like the old lagoon for the property. It's no longer in use now, but got to get in there. Get all the little saplings cleared out of there. Pretty easy. Nothing's crazy big in there. We'll leave all the big trees, but get all the little guys taken out. Should be pretty quick. Should be a pretty quick and easy project here. So, like I said, let's get to it. Let's get going. And you stay off the button, then you just pan like super slow.
Okay.
Going across. All right, and there's Mom.
That thing is loud.
Hey everybody, it's Travis again. Out here working. It's quitting time. It's about 4:30 or so Sunday. It's time to wrap everything up, got a very, very productive day. It wasn't just myself out here. Had my family come out and help. My parents, my wife, daughter, the whole family came out to help on this nice warm Sunday day. Got a lot of work done. So let's take a little look here, see what we got. So right here be the west. Got just a little bit more, big old pile of nonsense up there. But from earlier, big old evergreen bush here we got taken out. Everything's cleaned up, looking real good. And everything buttoned up, looks real good for just the initial. Now over here on the east side, there's a big cluster here that we got limbed up, taken down. Just need to hit it with the mulcher, give it a good old back drag real quick, and that's all cleaned up. And then looking back to the north, everything looks good. Hit everything with the final back drag, kind of just finishing, kind of roughing in, raking things out, hitting it with the weed eater around the trees and whatnot, kind of the keeper trees. But looks good for today. We'll be back out here Tuesday, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, Travis again. Been a few days, several days, couple weeks since we recorded anything. We were working on the farmyard project. Everything was going really good, really smooth, no issues. Weather was real nice for into December, beginning of January. Then Mother Nature said, slow your roll, hold on a little bit. It would have been Saturday, January 4th. Mother Nature said things are not going to be good for a little while. The temperatures bottomed out. It's been crazy cold. And then Saturday, the 4th, we got ice. We got like 15 to 20 hundredths of an inch of ice. And then that night, Saturday night into all day Sunday, we got snow. Not just a little bit of snow. We got 18 inches of snow. 18 inches of snow for Junction City, Kansas. Pretty crazy. So, hasn't been any mulching going on with all the snow. Just all the unknowns of mulching, especially the farmyard project. Just not knowing what's under everything, under the snow now. So, it's been a little bit. Still waiting for the snow to melt. The days lately haven't been very warm. Right now I'm standing outside my garage in the driveway, and I think it's like 5 degrees. But I'm gonna spin you around, look at my yard real quick. There's kind of what's left of the snow here in my yard. I know it's hard to see, it's dark out. But yeah, there's still probably 6 inches of snow on the ground. So, but like I said, it's cold. Snow's not melting. But anyways, we'll get back to it whenever the snow finally decides to melt. But anyways, stay tuned for more of the farmyard cleanup. Like I said, we'll be back. Give us a few more days, hopefully the snow melting, and we'll be back. But anyways, this will be the end of the video. I'm gonna make a part 2 once we get back out there. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.